where to look. Lightning.
I was driving down to a movie gallery, and I'm just driving, and I looked to my left, and there was a deer, a solitary deer, in the middle of the day, walking down the sidewalk. I look, and I look away, and then I went, what? I was like, look back. I almost crashed. I was like, what the hell? It's ridiculous.
Or we get out the video camera and it doesn't do anything. Sounds. Oh, missed it.
How can you miss it? It's a video camera.
I was pointing that way.
That one. Oh, you know what we should watch?
What?
Cloverfield.
Oh, yes.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Isn't it awesome?
I know.
So good.
I downloaded it. Shouldn't be saying this on video camera. Cut it out. Oh, I got it! I was pointing there too! Oh!
I got it!
I'm amazing!
Awesome.
I just love closing. I'd like to close my eyes for the thunder, but I'm afraid I'll miss better lightning.
Oh, the wind changed a minute there. Oh, rain on me.
That means the low pressure center is on the move. I think I got that one too.
I wish it was darker.
I know. Lightning at night is so cool.
So cool.
I want to turn it off and like make sure I have enough video, but I'm afraid that when I turn it off it'll be like amazing lightning. Because I know it will. Hey, what does he have on the top of his house? It's like a big lightning rod. Ooh. Guaranteed it'll be hit by lightning. It'd be so wicked.
That would be fairly awesome.
And ours might get hit by lightning too. That means our internet will be gone.
Oh no, not your internet. Ah!
Missed it.
You did miss it. It's like a cold shower. I don't like it. I'm not a fan.
They're getting water on there.
Yeah, well that's what happens when it rains.
I know.
Do you want me to take your camera away?
No.
This is...
I missed it!
Ah!
I think. But I don't know. Aww.
Alright, this kind of rain, when it hits you, it gives you the exact same feeling as if like your hand was falling asleep. Only it's everywhere the water touches.
Hey, that is... I've never thought of it that way, but that's right.
I know it's right.
Huh.
I'm exceedingly perceptive.
You are, because I'm not. As you all may have known.
I'm watching True Blood with my friend Krista, and she'll be like, I'll say something, she'll be like, huh, I didn't even catch that. Or we were watching Twilight last night.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I got that one.
And I was like, why is she holding a purse? It's Bella, she doesn't hold purses. She was like, huh. And then she leaves the restaurant, and I was like, she doesn't have a purse. And I was like fixated on her purse for like an hour.
I notice those things oddly every once in a while. I notice, yeah. I watched the movie, but I like noticed the behind the scenes of the movie. Those trees going crazy. I missed it, I think.
Okay, I'm so giving up because I don't have the reflexes right now.
It's windy. Okay, funnel cloud. Now.
That would be awesome.
I missed it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. And
it's gonna be awesome.
it's gonna be awesome.